everyone! Have you ever wondered about the tiny worlds floating far out in our solar system? Let's zoom into space and explore the mysterious dwarf planets. First up is Pluto. Did you know Pluto was once considered a full-fledged planet? That's right! But in 2006, it was reclassified as a dwarf planet. Despite being demoted, it's incredibly fascinating. Pluto is covered in ice, and its surface is a mix of white, black, and even some deep reds. Imagine a snowy world with patches of red ice. It's also really far from the sun, which makes it super cold. Next, let's dart over to Haumea. This peculiar dwarf planet is known for its funny, elongated shape, kind of like a squished ball. Haumea spins so rapidly on its axis that it stretches outwards. It's also got a bit of a shiny, crystalline surface that reflects sunlight, making it look like it's covered in a shiny glaze. Oh, and we can't forget about Eris. Eris is about the same size as Pluto, but it's the most massive dwarf planet known. It's so far away from the sun, and it takes about 557 Earth years to complete one orbit. Can you imagine a year lasting that long? Eris is super chilly and has a surface that's mostly gray with a hint of white. Lastly, let's scoot over to Ceres. Ceres is special because it's not only a dwarf planet, but it's also the largest object in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. It's closer to us than the other dwarf planets, which means it's a bit warmer. Ceres is pretty rocky and has some spots that are bright white, which scientists think might be salt flats. Isn't it amazing how each dwarf planet has its own unique story, colors, and mysteries? I hope you enjoyed zooming through space with me today to learn about these cool, tiny planets. Remember, the universe is a big place, full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Keep looking up and stay curious. See you next time, space explorers.